Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider and Mimi, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from
Japan!
That's right, we've got another one of these Zenpop snack boxes. Let's crack it open and then we'll get to work. Whoa! Alright, so when you crack open one of these boxes, first thing you'll see is this neat card, which has information about the people who put these boxes together and where they're from, which is Osaka, Japan. And then you'll get this special leaflet, which has a link on it, and with that link, you will be able to find out about everything that's in this box, and it's all in Japanese, so if you can't read Japanese, you're going to want to, keep this thing and check out the link, which is what we're going to do. We're going to go to the link, and we're going to tell you about all the different things that we get to try today. Oh, and Mimi wants to tell you something.
I got my ears pierced today.
She got more holes in her head, ladies and gentlemen. Why don't you show them? Show the one ear, the next time you can show the other. There you go, a pierced ear. Very nice. All right, let's get started. All right, so these boxes always come with a variety of ramen, and this month it's Sapporo Ichiban's Tabimen Kyoto Shibura Shoyu Ramen. And this is actually a good one. I believe I've had this before. Shibura is back fat, so it's like powdered pork fat. It's really good, adds a nice extra zest to it. Comes with a little pepperoni slice of chashu. I just got a pork belly, and I'm going to make some homemade chashu. I highly recommend that because this stuff is just a tease, but this is a really decent bowl of noodles, so that's a score. All right, so the first thing we're going to try is Matcha Latte from Craft Box. And matcha is green tea, and it gives you energy.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hope I like it.
I hope you do too. I don't know that you will. It's from Suntory, It's from Suntory, makers of CC Lemon, which is my favorite Asian beverage. You can get that in Taiwan. I recommend going to Taiwan. Want me to give it a try first and let you know what I think?
Yeah.
Kind of like a milk tea crossed with, I don't know, you try it.
Okay.
I like that. I could chug that down. It's not ice cold, but it's pretty good.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why not?
Because of the taste.
Yeah, well, that's a good reason, I suppose. What score would you give that?
2.5.
2.5? That's pretty good for something you don't like. I give this a 4. This isn't bad. Next up, from Idea Package, we have Kyoto Shibazuke Fu Sansio in Iri potato chips. Sansio. I have a jar of Sansio up on the cupboard. You know what that is?
No.
It's like a pepper. So these might be like kind of a Japanese, like a black pepper kind of thing. Let's find out. Here's what they look like. They kind of look like little ruffled things. Nothing too crazy. Here's one for you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. I don't like it.
Score? 0. Wow. I'll give those a 2.5. They're not bad. They kind of have like an acidity to them, and they also have I don't know, they're kind of compelling. I'll give them a 2. All right, this one is from Tango Seika, and this is Yoko Zuna Arare. This is another big bag. There's big stuff in these. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That
I'm
is
giving
weird.
a little sniff. It smells good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No? Medium? Score.
Yeah. Maybe 4.5.
4.5?
Yeah.
You really like it then?
I mean 3.5.
Okay. I think I could be wrong. I probably am. But I think arare might mean burnt. Because I've had some stuff that's supposed to be like a burnt flavor, and this kind of gives me that. It's not bad. I'll give it a 3. All right, next from Wakao, we have Hankuzu Sasamochi. So it says it's a mochi variety, and it's from Kyoto, and this has something called kuzu in it that is medicinal. So this could either be good or not. We'll either like it or we will dislike it. Okay, now I'm curious. I see this. That looks like a seasoning. This looks like a seasoning. And then we have the mochi. Now, last time we got something interesting, it didn't work out so well. So, hold on. All right, so we're gonna, let's see, we'll put this part in here because I don't want it to be all goopy and funky. So we'll see how it goes. Ah, it's getting goopy and funky. It looks kind of like a little jelly blob.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add some of this black honey to it.
Black honey?
Yeah. And see, I'm not gonna try to do it while holding it in my hand. There we go. There's the black honey.
Yeah. It looks so good.
And then here is the soybean flour we're gonna add to it. Okay, so there we are. We've got our mochi with our black honey and soybean flour. You want me to try it first, or?
I want to try it first.
Okay. Okay, kid, knock yourself out. Take a bite. Whole thing. 1, 2, 3, go. No?
No.
Okay.
I just like the powder.
You like the powder?
Yeah.
Interesting. That's soybean powder. This isn't bad. It's kind of almost like a pudding consistency. And with everything going on here, it also has kind of like a tea flavor. So you like the powder. How many stars would you give the powder? And you like the honey too.
5.
5. What about the actual mochi stuff?
0.
0. So, but you like the honey too, right?
Yeah. It's a 5.
Okay.
The honey and the powder are 5.
Yeah, I really like that. I just finished the mochi, and I really like that combo. I would give that 5 stars. That was like the experience I'm totally looking for. Something really different. Really like the soy powder, and yeah, the black honey and the whole thing. It was very good. Next up from YBC, we have Piccola Sakura Matcha. All right, you saw how you opened this? You want to open it?
Oh yeah.
All right.
There's a little tab here.
Ah, look at that. Clever.
Aha, there's 2 in here.
All right, there's what they are. These are, I've seen these. I think these are called pralines. Here's one for you.
Thanks.
And here's one for me. And, interesting. Cheers.
Cheers.
How can you not like these? Really?
Yeah.
What don't you like about it?
I don't know.
You don't like the texture, maybe?
Maybe.
Try it again. This is good. It's got stuff inside. It's yummy.
I like the outside, but not the inside.
Okay. Fair enough. Score.
The outside is a 5. But the inside is a 1.5. 0.
0 because you don't. Oh, okay. I'll give it a 4.5. I enjoy it. Next up from Ichigo Seika, we have Funwari Meijin Kinako Mochi. All right, I have no clue. I could read the information on the thing, but it's kind of flaky. So you're gonna have to eat the whole thing, or it's gonna make a big mess.
It seems good to me.
Oh wow!
Inside it tastes like sugar.
Almost has like a peanut butter consistency to it. That's good. What do you think?
5.
Yeah. 5.
So good.
Yeah, I'll give that 5 too. They're so light. It's like eating a cloud. Next up from Nikita, we have Homareyaki. And from this little guy here, we've got shrimp crackers. So let's give these a try.
And the shrimp cracker, and the shrimp's name is Shrimpy.
Shrimpy the shrimp. Shrimpy the shrimp. Yeah, there you go, kid. Yeah. Oh, here's a piece.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Just take a little bite.
Yeah.
Just take a little nibble.
Huh?
Oh my, you have a whole one?
I'm giving that a big 0. I love shrimp. I love prawn. I like some of the strongest prawn flavor you can find in the universe. But the texture of that, it was like eating a styrofoam cup. I can't get with that. That's a big stinky 0. But you like it, so that's cool.
It's a really big 5.
Yeah, I don't know what we got here. I guess it's something hard. Oh, it is not. It is a chewy.
Can I feel it?
I am going to cut it in half.
Then we can feel it.
Then you can feel it.
Is
it blue?
No, it's pink.
It's pink.
See? It's pink.
Oh, okay. I can't see very well.
Guys, it's pink.
Okay, guys. She's right. Cheers. Give it a chance. Gotta let it warm up. It's got a Zuki Bean in it. No?
I don't like it.
Why could you not like a Zuki Bean? How many stars?
0.
Look at that 5.
Caught it.
Cool. Oh.
I was excited for this. Are you excited for this?
I know what this is. Next up from Kadu, we have Yaki Sobayasan Taru. Taru. Yeah, and you know what this is?
No.
This is a noodle snack.
I knew that you were going to say that it's a noodle snack.
You did.
Yeah.
Take a little pinch of that out of the pouch there. Give it a try.
Love it.
That's good.
A really big pinch.
I'll give that a 5 too. Man, I should have just reviewed this on www.theramenradar.com. All right, next up from Ichigo Seika, we have Marugato Kajitsu. And friends, we have a problem. Our stupid GoPro is overheating. It's actually a neat device, but not when it's overheating. It's little gummies. Cheers, cheers. For gummies, I'll give those a 5. They have nice flavor. They're not just all made of rubber. You know how it goes? Cool. All right, next from Kinsen, we have Bekul Ame. I am probably pronouncing that all wrong. Let's find out what we got here. It's gonna be hard.
It looks like a lollipop.
Cheers. 2 or 3?
2. To do it from down and then do it too.
I'll go with 2 as well. I don't know what that is. I'm fascinated by it. It's sweet. It's a hard candy. I just don't understand. Do you?
No.
Next up from Nanao is Kwara Sinbay. And I have no idea. It's a little loose.
Loose?
Crunched up, maybe.
Ooh.
We will open it and we will see. Ah, they're like crackers. One for you?
Thanks. I'll just take a little bite.
Yeah. And one for me. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Texture reminds me of like a sugar cone. Like ice cream cone. A little bit thicker. There's nuts in it. That's not bad. What do you think? 4? A 4?
Yeah.
You really like it then?
I kind of like it.
I'll give it a 5. That's interesting and very compelling. I think this would go good with vanilla ice cream. Next, from Yaokin, we have Mochito Kinako Mochi. We have more mochi. Mochi is exceedingly popular. It's definitely not liquid. Whoa! Wow!
Whoa!
Wow!
So
Wow!
squishy!
Yeah, this is the mochi I'm more used to.
Mm.
Cheers!
Cheers.
No? Yes. Comes with a fine desiccant. Very dry, powdery surface, but really, really soft and gummy and good. I'll give that a 5. I like that. You?
You.
0, okay. Next up from Yaokin, we have Fugashi. Would you like to try the Fugashi?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, the Fugashi is very messy. A messy mess of Fugashi. So why don't you grab a piece of the Fugashi and...
Oh, this, please.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Mmm. Tastes like chocolate.
I wouldn't say that.
Mm.
It's light and really flaky and pastry-like. I wouldn't be surprised if you get this in Japan and it's falling apart. Interesting texture. Almost has like a brown sugar to it. What do you give that? 5? I'll give it a 4.5. Next up from Yaokin, we have Mochito Kinako. It's kind of rubbery. I don't know. We'll see what we got here. Some of these are really strangely packaged. What the heck is...
Say that again.
This is very strangely packaged. I have no idea what this is. It's cold and it's weird. Is it like fruit leather? Maybe it's like fruit leather. I don't know.